Hello everybody, in this guide I'm going to show you how to quickly find out if your computer is hacked. There are a couple different methods, so try not to skip them. First, you go into search, you type in run. In this run box, you type in MRT, you hit enter. This malicious software detection tool will come up. I recommend the quick scan. You run that and see if there are any malicious files. The next thing you want to do is go back up to the run tool. Again, click on run, and this time you type in netplwiz. plwiz and hit enter, and this will come up and you will see check if you have any user accounts that you do not recognize. I only have myself. If you have something you don't recognize, right click on it or click it and remove it. Okay, next step, check startup apps. So go into Windows, type in settings here. On the left hand side, click on apps, and from here go to startup. And from here, you can check if there are any apps you do not recognize, and if there are, turn them off. Okay, the last step is to, again, go into search, type in Task Manager, and from here, this will show you all of the processes running currently. I recommend you sort by either memory or CPU usage, and to find any processes you do not recognize. If there are any processes you don't recognize that are using a lot of CPU or memory, they could be malware. I recommend you Google them and find out how to remove them, or you go into Windows Defender, Windows Security, and you type in virus and threat protection, run a quick scan, and remove that malware. And that is it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it.